In this lecture, we will see line command. In draw tool, first command line. To select a line command, you can use left click for object selection, for tool selection, and pick the points. You have to use left click. Just go to here, go near to the tool, click mouse left click, you can select this tool. You can see here in command line command is active. You can see here specify first point. I click the first point. Now you can create a line horizontal or vertical. I go to here, you can see ortho mode. I click this ortho mode. Now this ortho mode is switch off. You have to use left click for this ortho mode. Click left click, you can switch on, switch off. I switch off this ortho mode. Now I can create line any direction. I go to here, switch on this ortho mode, left click, press left click in your mouse. Now this one is active. Now I can create a line vertical or horizontal. Press escape key in your keyboard. I select this one. In your keyboard you can see like this delete key. Press that delete key, you can delete the object. Again I go to the line. I click any location. For click you have to use this left click. For tool selection, object selection, and each and every points click you have to use left click in your mouse. I just place it like this horizontally. You can give the value of that line. I just make here 100, then press enter. Press enter in your keyboard. You can use this space bar or this enter you can use. Go to here. I just make here 150. You can type 150 in your keyboard. You can use this side numbers. For type number you can use this side numbers. You can use your right hand. That is easy to use. Type 150, then press enter. Now you can see 150 line created. I just make like this 50, then press enter. Now 50 line created. I just select here close. You can go near to this point. If you click here it will close, or you can select here close, then press escape key. Now that command finish. Again I go to the line, click your left click, then I click here. I just make it 125, then press enter. Then I just make like this 150, press enter. Now I created these two lines. I like to change this line dimension. What I created this line, it is error. Wrongly I given input 150. I want to change to 160 or 175 like that. I need to go back one step. For that, go to here, undo. You can see one option, undo. Click this undo, it will go back one step. If you click again undo, it will go back one more step. I just make here 150, press enter. Then I just make here 125, press enter. Next you can see here close. Click here, it will close with a start point. Where you start, that location it will finish. Again I go to the line, click any location. Then I just make here 150, press enter. I just make here 150, press enter this direction. You can use this undo, or you can type here U. In AutoCAD, this first letter you can see dark blue color. It is not exact black, dark blue color. If you press this undo, it will work, or you can use this shortcut U. Type U in your keyboard, then press enter. Now you can see it will go back one step. Again you can type U, then press enter. It will go back one more step. You can see we used 2U. I just make it 150 line. Again I just make 150 line, press enter. Similar way you can use this close also. You can select this close, or you can type C in your keyboard, then press enter. It will close with start point. Here we created line horizontal or vertical, but we need to create line with a incline, particular angle inclined line. How to create? I switch on this dynamic input also. If you click the line, you can see the value near to the cursor. If I switch off this dynamic input, you will not get it that input. You can see this is dynamic input. You will get it dynamic input here. You can select dynamic input. If you switch on this dynamic input, if you select any tool, you can see the value. I just go near to this origin. It is origin. It is 0, 0. Exactly, if you go to that location, you will get it 0, 0. Each and every location having some X value and Y value. Now I click here. I need line with a certain angle. I just make it here, remove this ortho mode. Now you can see here near to the cursor 38 degree, the line length, and that degree also you can see. I will create 45 degree. Now this one is 45 degree. I click this location, press escape key. I create one more line also here horizontally. Switch on this ortho mode. I create like this. Then I go to here, angular dimension. Select this line and select this line. You can see this line created 45 degree, but I select this dimension, right click, go to the precision. I select this maximum. You can see this is not actual 45. It is not exact 45. But we need to create each and every drawing 100% perfect dimension we need to create. We don't want any point something like this. Exact 45 we require. So how to create that line? You can create in polar coordinate system. That coordinate system and all we will learn coming lectures. I just tell you now here how to create a inclined line. Just go to the line, click any location. Then if you go to your keyboard, you can see like this less than symbol. In this less than symbol, you can use, if you press shift key and press this less than, you will get it this less than symbol. Press shift key, press less than, you will get it like this symbol. I just make it 45, then press enter. Now you can see you will get it like this 45-degree line. I just make here line length 150, then press enter, press escape key. I just create one more line here horizontally like this. Then I go to the angular dimension, select this line and select this one, make it like this, select this one, right click, precision, I just make it maximum. You can see exact 45-degree line, you will get it. Again, I go to the line, click any location. You can press shift key and press this less than, press shift key and press less than, you will get it like this symbol. I just make here minus 45, then press enter. Minus 45 means you will get it like this, opposite direction. I just make here 50, then press enter, press escape key. I go to the line, I create a line like this, go to the angular, you can see 45, select this one, right click, go to the precision, you can see you will get it like this. So this is our 0-degree. If you go to this side, it is positive, counterclockwise is positive, clockwise direction is negative. This is our 0-degree. You can change this angle and all. If you make positive, you can make it in clockwise direction. Negative, you can make it counterclockwise direction also. If you go to the unit, type UN, press enter. If you select here clockwise, always you will get it positive. But we don't want to use now, just keep as it is now. I will tell you later when I teach this rotate command. Again, I go to the line, click any location. I just make here shift at the rate. If you go to here, your keyboard, press shift key, and if you click this 2, you can activate at the rate symbol. Press shift key at the rate. I just make here 100. This is line length. Then I just make here degree 55. For that, shift less than 55, press enter. Press escape key. Go to the angular, just create one line here. Then I go to the angular, select this one, select this one. You can see you will get it 55-degree. I go to the align, press enter, select this line. You can see you will get it 100 mm line with 55-degree. This is actually polar coordinate system. Coming lectures, you will understand about polar coordinate system. This is actually relative coordinate system. This system we will use to create all the drawings, but when we require inclined lines, you can use this polar coordinate system also. We have another one more coordinate system, absolute coordinate system, that is very rarely using method, but in survey, if you are creating survey drawings, you need to make it easting and northing. That time the absolute coordinate system is very useful, but don't worry about the coordinate system. Coming lectures, you will understand about the coordinate system. Without knowing coordinate system also, you can create any kind of drawing. What I teach these drawings, and this method is more than enough to create any kind of line in AutoCAD.